Now that you've finished recording your screencast, you're ready to upload it. ScreencastoMatic gives you a couple different options. I'm going to recommend two of those options. Once you're finished, you want to upload your video somewhere to the internet. The two options I'll go through today are uploading it to YouTube and uploading it to ScreencastoMatic. Both of these ways will allow you to, after you are done recording your screencast, share it with your students, whether they're in school or outside of school, as long as they have access to the internet. So here's my desktop. You can see I have a couple different videos here and other files, which is why I recommend saving them in folders to keep yourself a little bit more organized. Once you know exactly where that file is, you're ready to log online and take that file and upload it. The first one I'm going to show you is YouTube. So let's go to youtube.com. When you get to YouTube, they're going to ask you to sign in. Click sign in the upper right hand corner, and just like Screencast, you can log in with your Google account. Either click on your name, or your Google account will be first_last_name@ConostagaValley.org. Your password is the same password that you would use to log in at school. Then click next. Once you've done that, you're into YouTube. You don't even have to bother with creating an account or a channel. It's good to go. Stay focused in the upper right hand corner because you'll see that this says create. Clicking on that will allow you to upload or go live. I upload a video. When you click upload a video, it's going to launch the next page and give you a couple different options. You're just going to continue to follow the prompts right in front of you. By clicking on this arrow or select files, it's going to take you to your desktop to allow you to pick one of the videos to upload. So click on the arrow. You can see on my desktop I have a record, stop, save, and playback ready to go. So I can double click that and it will start to load. It will then prompt you. It will ask you to title it, and then in the bottom right hand corner you will click next. So I'm going to go ahead and click next now. Clicking next is going to lead you to another prompt. Click next again, and then it will ask you, do you want to make it private, unlisted, or public? Private, it's only going to let people that have the direct link view it. Unlisted is a very similar type of feature. And then public is the one I choose. That way it's public for anyone to access. Finally, click publish. It will then load your actual video. It will process everything as well, and it will store right there to youtube.com. Let me show you where you can find it. Back at youtube.com, there's a whole lot going on here. Focus on the left-hand side. You're on the home page. You don't have to worry about anything else except for where you can find your videos, which is appropriately named Your Videos. Clicking on it will then show you that you just uploaded this video, and you can watch it by clicking on that video. That is option number 1. Option 2 to upload your screencast to the internet is using ScreencastoMatic.com. So log in to ScreencastoMatic.com. You're going to click Upload to ScreencastoMatic.com. It's still going to give you the same exact type of information. It's going to allow you to change the title and add anything else that you'd like. But you can see that it's underneath your account, which should be your Google account through your school's email address. Then click Publish. Once it's finished encoding and uploading, you'll have this green check mark, and you can hit OK. Then you can log back into ScreencastoMatic.com, their homepage. Make sure that you're logged in under your name, and then you can see your video here. You can find your videos right next to your username. It's a light blue link that says My Videos. Clicking on that is going to open you up to your videos, and you can see your video is right here. Lots of options here. You can play it back, preview it, copy the link, which would allow you to paste it or share it through email or on websites, and gives you details about the video. They also have other sharing options as well, like embed codes, and you can put these in files if you'd like. You can do the same exact thing through YouTube. Copying the link, pasting it will allow you to share your video with your students, whether they're at school or they're actually at home learning remotely.